In the big world of computer languages, one language stands out because it's easy to understand and super useful: Python. It's like the friendliest language in town, and lots of people love it. Why do people love Python? Well, it's like learning to ride a bike. It's not too hard, and you can go on cool adventures once you learn it. Right now, you're watching this video on a website that's made with Python. Isn't that neat? Python's story starts in the 90s when a guy named Guido van Rossum thought it would be fun to name a language after a funny comedy show, Monty Python. So, Python was born, and it brought with it a sense of humor. For example, instead of saying foo and bar in coding examples, people might say spam and eggs. It's like having a secret code language. But Python isn't just funny, it's also super helpful. You can use it to make all sorts of things, like websites and even fancy stuff like analyzing big data or teaching computers to learn like humans do. One reason people like Python so much is because it's easy to read. Imagine reading a book with big letters and clear words. That's what Python code is like. There are rules called the Zen of Python that say things like beautiful is better than ugly and readability counts. It's like having a friendly guide to help you write good code. So, how does Python actually work? Well, it's kind of like building with Lego blocks. You start by putting blocks together to make something cool. In Python, you write lines of code, and it's organized like a notebook, where you can see everything neatly in one place. When you write code in Python, you can make little notes to yourself, and the computer will understand them. It's like having a conversation with your computer, but instead of talking, you're writing notes in a special language that both of you understand. Python is also good at sharing. There are lots of extra tools and pieces you can use with Python to do even more cool stuff. It's like having a big box of Lego pieces to build whatever you want. So, whether you're a beginner just starting out or someone who's been coding for a while, Python is like a friendly companion that's always ready to help you on your coding journey. It's simple, it's friendly, and it's ready for you to explore and create amazing things. If you have any questions about Python or anything else we covered in this video, feel free to ask. Just drop your comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos.